All right, we got the Cadillac sandwich and the Costco. So let's go find some deals.
Let's go to Costco.
Costco. Mr. Beast hats.
I trapped one.
All right, if you buy one, I'll buy one. Do it. Let's do it.
If I buy one, you can buy one.
We'll both buy them.
Okay. If I buy one.
Yes.
Yeah. I still might not buy one.
Okay, if we change our minds.
If I do buy one, then you have to buy one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we'll just wear them until we decide.
All right, sounds good. Parts and cameras and cool stuff.
There's always a good deal.
This is crazy store. This is like America in a store, dude. This is like the American store. I feel like.
Not Walmart?
Even more. This is like even more so than Walmart. All right, main reason we're here is energy drinks. Where are they at? Where are they hiding them? Side quest. 30 pack of Zevias. It's really good. That's the best I've seen for that.
That's like half price.
Price. I think the energy drinks are in the next aisle over. Pre-cooked octopus. The Kirk salmon.
The Kirk salmon.
That's crazy. That actually looks really good though. So many good looking foods. These are absolutely incredible. All right, our guy was not lying. They got the energy drinks. So do we want Celsius, Zoa, that's the Rock's energy drink. Bloom, I've heard, is good. Alani's very good. Red Bull's good.
Dude, look at the deal.
That's a good deal on Alani.
Can't argue with that.
We came here for Ghost, but Alani's pretty good. That might be the move. So we came here for Ghost, but we didn't find it, but we found such a good deal on Alani that actually this is better. It's better than expected. All right, buying a second case.
What do you think of that?
Yeah.
The viewers haven't had this flavor yet.
No, I don't think anybody's tried it yet.
I've had that.
You're not a viewer.
You're not a viewer.
No, I'm not a viewer. I get the Walmarts.
Oh, okay. So one of them is trays, but yeah, 3 18 packs. Let's go. Okay, these wines are crazy expensive. $219 for yours. What's that?
800 up.
800. The Cha Lafitte Rothschild Bordeaux Red.
Rothschild.
Yeah. Dang. We just need some Kirks. I just want to be sipping a Kirk. Turks and Caicos. I just want to be sipping on some Kirk. Sipping on some Kirk.
Mixed Kirk Mosa.
Kirk Moses?
The Kirk Mosa.
Let's go. Oh, the Kirk Buck. That actually looks good. So we're going to be sipping on Kirk, so we got to be smoking a Kirk as well. So we got to go to the liquor section. They're not Kirkland signature brands, so we're not smoking Kirks, the Rockies, but we got them at Costco, so we're kind of still smoking a Kirky.
You can tell that. Oh, was it your phone?
Dude, that was your phone.
It's my phone. Hopefully it's okay. Screen protector's cracked.
Oh no.
But I think the phone's okay.
Wait, Trey might have extras because he just put one on last
Oh, we're
night.
good. We're good.
Oh yeah, Trey's got extras.
Did
You
you
go do it.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you see that
I
conservative
just
lady?
smashed it into the door.
The conservative.
Packed.
The conservative lady talking about you don't need an ID to vote, but to buy the Kirk.
It doesn't make much sense. Oh.
Hey, all I know is I got the Mr. Beast hat. We ended up with the Kirk smokes. We ended up with the Kirk drink.
Life is good.
Life is good. And we're in the state of Florida, dude. Come on.
Oh yeah, can you guys hit my Venmo?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Venmo
What's the
me.
damage of this?
$30. All right, welcome back. We're good. Gotta get ready to go to the beach. Get some drinks going. All right, swimming was fun. Was a success. Time to go to Three Pepper. Get some dinner food. You guys ready to go? Where's your hat?
It's right there.
Oh, okay. All right, we're good to go. Okay. Well, we're at Three Pepper. Trey and Madison are both here?
No.
Yo, what up, dudes?
Hello, Madison.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Trey.
What did Luke say?
What up, Madison?
Let's go!
Sit
around
How
here.
about
You guys ready for
How are
Three Pepper?
you? Good.
All right, camera eats first. job, good job. Steak. I got chicken. Haven't opened it yet because the queso is so good. Spicy chicken. Oh, nice. It's got chimichurri, 3 sauce.
Yes.
Or 3 pepper. You guys got food over there. You're good. You're good. So,
Eats first.
yeah. Hammer eats first. And also, look at these cool cups. Later, dude.